A dried chicken. This yogurt fix keeps it juicy. One pan. Don't touch the chicken. Moving chicken makes it tough. Brown equals juicy. Now we build the sauce fast. Garlic gives yogurt real flavor. Here's why yogurt fails. Don't just add it to the hot pan. Temper it first. No, it turns creamy instead of breaking. Now the chicken finishes in the sauce so it stays tender. This is what I like about this meal. It's creamy but light, high protein, and comfortable to eat at night. And almost everything here is basic pantry food. Chicken, yogurt, garlic, lemon, simple food works best. If this recipe helped you cook an easier, lighter dinner, give it a like and subscribe. My goal is simple, bold, Mediterranean one-pan meals that save time and still taste like real food. Check out my other videos on the screen and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.